Silvershine's maintenance procedures are very simple. Silvershine has an operated hours timer that automatically indicates when a granulate change is needed, usually about every 3 months. While this is infrequent, it is recommended that you have an inventory of granulate at all times. The granulate change procedure takes about 10 minutes and requires a shop vac and a new bag of granulate. First, you need to remove the old granulate. Open the lid of the Silvershine unit. You'll notice the unit stops when the lid is open. You need it to run while extracting granulates. To do this, hold the Engage button on the inside, back right-hand side of the unit down, while pushing the On button on the front control pad. Keep holding the Engage button to keep the unit running. Place the shop vac nozzle at the bottom of the hopper mouth and vacuum up granulate as it is cycled through the machine. When complete, you can release the Engage button and close the machine. New granulate can simply be dumped into the hopper and allowed to run as you normally would to warm up. The second maintenance procedure is the changing of the UV light. The UV lamp needs to be changed once a year. Removing the UV light requires a Phillips screwdriver and a new UV bulb. We recommend conducting this procedure with the unit turned off and unplugged. Start by raising the lid. Locate the panel screws as shown and remove each of them, taking care not to drop or lose them. With the panel removed, slide out the UV lamp cartridge and remove the old bulb by pulling firmly on it. Discard the old bulb and replace it with a new one, pushing it firmly into place. Replace the UV lamp cartridge in the unit, reattach the panel with the screws, and close the lid.